in this video, we're going to be filling in this square with satin stitch. Satin stitch is a bit trickier because you want to make sure that your threads lay flat. To start, let's start at the bottom left corner of this square. And we're going to bring our needle up. And then we are going to be working always from the bottom to the top. We're not going to be switching up sides. So bottom to the top, we're going to bring our needle down at the topmost left corner of the square and down. And as it comes down, I make sure that my thread doesn't twist or shift. You want to make sure it lays flat. So now we're going to go right next door to it. From our first starting point, bring our needle up. Same thing, make sure your thread isn't twisting and shifting. Back down right next door to where our last stitch ended. I tend to hold the loop so that way it doesn't shift, and pull it down. And as I work, sometimes it's helpful to wiggle your needle underneath and kind of make sure it's laying flat. From this point, we are just going to continue moving from left to right with neighboring stitches all the way down to the end of our square. I hope this video helped you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm having so much fun teaching you guys my tips and tricks. Take care.